Hi guys, welcome to another edition of this tutorial. Here I'll be explaining to us how we can edit our content and how we can add picture to it. In the previous video we have discussed where and how we can get our content and where we can get our picture. So now I'm going to be explaining to us how we can edit it and how we can add the picture to our content. So let us move into the tutorial. Let's move into the tutorial. So I have my content here. So I've collated all the content that I want to use. I've rewrite it. So you need to rewrite it. I've rewrite my own. So I'm writing content on keto diet. Keto diet. That's what I'm writing on. So immediately you have rewrite your content and you have it on the word document like this. So you just copy it. So when you copy it, you bring it to this platform I call Grammarly. So Grammarly is a software which we use in order to check our copyscape, our plagiarism, and our content error, our spellings errors, any grammatical errors that may be in our content. So here we are going to check everything. So just paste the content here. I've pasted my own now. So assuming, let me repaste, control. You can see now this red is showing that there is a grammatical error. So when you click on it, it will bring suggestion. You can see. So you just click on it, it will change it. Another suggestion, so you change it. Another suggestion, so you change it. So another suggestion, then that's how it will bring it. If your content has more than that, you can see that is no more error. No more error again. So you just copy it. You copy your content. After you copy your content and you go back to your Word document and you paste it. So immediately you paste it, that is, your article now is unique. Remember, you must not omit any of these steps. The reason being that no platform will allow or we accept any article that does not pass copyscape, that is not plagiarism free. No platform will accept that from you. That's why you need to know how to rewrite on your own, and you can also use Grammarly to check the plagiarism, to check the grammatical error. Those I've done now. So now the next thing now is how you are going to add a picture to your content. How you are going to add a picture to your content. Remember, in the previous videos I've mentioned where we can get our pictures. So but now I'm going to be using Google to get my own picture. So I've searched it, so keto diet, and I've downloaded a lot of pictures. I've downloaded a lot of pictures. So you just come back to your Word document. So you continue to add it one after the other. So I've added this one. So you come here. So this one, I load it. We increase the size based on your choice. Here, so come to insert picture. So those are the picture I've downloaded. So select one to insert. So that's it. I've inserted it. So another thing, that's all about inserting pictures. So let me insert another one so that we can all see it very well. So come here, insert. So insert the picture. To drag the edges so that the picture will be fixed to the middle. So you drag the edges. So that's all. You can see the picture is fixed now. Now there's another thing I want you to know. Here come to page layout, it's very, very important. Page layout. So when you come to page layout, you come to size. When you come to size, just click on size. You can see the first one, which is 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. Just select 8.5 by 11. So automatically your work is going to be saving as 8.5 by 11. It is very important, and it is not compulsory you use 8.5. You may come here and set it to anything. You may set it to 7.2 by 10 by 5. You may set it to 11.69 by 16.5 by 2. But whatever you use to save it, just have them in mind, because you are still going to need it when you want to upload your work. So that's why I recommend the easiest one, which you can easily remember, which is 8.5 by 11. That's what I've been using. That's what I'm using. So 8.5 by 11. You use it. So, and when you get to the period whereby you are going to upload your document, so we are still going to use it. But let us take it step by step. When we get there, I'm going to tell us. So that's all about how to edit and how to add a picture to your document. So we meet in the next tutorial, whereby we'll be talking about how we are going to upload your document.